Is telecomdatasettlement.com really legit, or just another clever-looking site trying to profit off a data breach? That's exactly what I wanted to find out. When I first came across the website, I was skeptical. It looked professional, but so do many scams these days. After digging deeper, I discovered that telecomdatasettlement.com is indeed the official settlement portal for the AT&T data breach class action lawsuits. Managed by Kroll Settlement Administration LLC, a legitimate and well-known firm that handles major settlements. The two AT&T breaches, one in March 2024 and another in July 2024, exposed sensitive customer data, leading to two separate settlements. The claims allow eligible customers to get up to $5,000 for the 2019 breach and up to $2,500 for the 2024 breach if they can show documented financial losses. Even if you don't have proof, there are still flat cash payments available in smaller amounts. The site clearly lists the deadlines, which are set for December 18, 2025, and the online claim process can be completed using a class member ID that AT&T customers may have received via email or mail. Everything about the site, from its SSL security to its direct Kroll links, checks out, but that doesn't automatically make it a good experience for everyone. Some users online reported delays and confusion in verifying their eligibility, while others said they received prompt responses. So, while it's not a scam, it's also not as smooth or transparent as you might expect from a major company's settlement portal. In short, telecomdatasettlement.com is legitimate and safe to use, but manage your expectations. Just because it's real doesn't mean the process will be quick or easy. Always double-check your eligibility and file before the deadline if you want your share of the settlement.